In this tutorial I will show you how to create floral vector in Illustrator. Create new document. Select Star tool. Left click and follow settings. Using selection, hold Alt and Shift key and drag to resize the shape. From Windows, select Align. Follow settings. Go to Gradient and follow the process. Keep color as you wish. From Properties, keep Stroke to None. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Press Ctrl+V to paste. Hold Alt and Shift key and resize shape. Drag and select both shape. From Objects, select Blend and Make. Again, select Object, select Blend. Now select Blend Options. Follow settings. Go to Effect. Select Distort and Transform. From that, select Tweak. Flower is ready. Select Rectangle tool to add background. Right-click, select Arrange. From that, select Send to Back. Change background color. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.